Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be working with faithkeybiz to show you guys this Chanel flat bag that they sent me over in collab. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into this video. Okay, so like I said, faithkeybiz sent me over a bag, and they are an online website that specializes in high quality reps. So y'all, if you've been on TikTok and all that stuff, you know dupes, reps, they've been going all around because a lot of people are just discovering how good the quality is and how you can get basically designer items for less and better price and basically at the same quality because they mirror the image of how the products are made basically. So anyways, on their website, I'm just gonna let you guys know real quick, they have bags, they have shoes, they have clothes, they have jewelry, watches, all kind of stuff, and I will be including a discount code. So without further ado, let me get straight into the unboxing because I know that's what you guys want to see. So this is the box that it comes in. You do get like that Chanel box, so they give you like the experience at home. So here's the box. I'm super excited because when I got this bag, I was like, this is so cute. You get a dust bag and everything like that. And then also it does come with like some thank you cards, like dear valued customer, and the thank you cards. So I thought that was like nice little branding for their website. Oh, I didn't even see the bag. So super cute, nice branding. So your faithful top luxury products supplier, and then like even give like the receipt type of vibe. So anyways, let's get into it. So cute. So they did have different colors, different styles. They have so many different Chanel bags you can pick from, so many other designer brands to pick from. So I did get the purse in black with the silver hardware. I think this purse looks really cute in the silver hardware. I was having a hard time deciding if I wanted silver or black, but I do feel like the silver kind of gives it that timeless vibe. I really think this is cute. I did get it in the smaller dimensions. I will have the size on the screen, but this is like the smaller size. It has that little back pocket. Super cute, you guys. Of course, the CC on the front. I think this bag is beautiful. It is in the Caviar leather. Pretty much when it comes to Chanel bags, I only like their Caviar leather. I'm very picky kind of when it comes to Chanel. I don't like all of the bags, but I do tend to draw my attention towards their Caviar. And funny fact, I used to not like this style bag, but it has started to grow on me, and I was like, okay, it's not that bad. I do like the smaller version of them though. So it has the handles, and I like the smaller one because you can wear it crossbody without it looking too big. You can wear it under the arm, and yeah, I'm more of a smaller bag type of girl, so I really think this is just super cute. The construction of the bag looks really good. The handles feel nice and sturdy. My only issue with this was this handle here. I'm not sure if this was how the real Chanel is, but I feel like the stitching, I don't know if it'll focus, this right here, that's my only issue on the straps, is this, only this one strap is like this, but it's underneath, so it's not the top, so it's underneath. So if it's on your shoulder, you wouldn't see it. It's underneath, but that was my only issue. So anyways, let me show you guys the inside. Bless you, baby. My son's watching me film, guys. So this is the inside. It does have that burgundy. I think the burgundy flap inside is really nice. Like, I don't know, even though nobody sees it, it's so cute to me. Also it does have that like hidden zipper. So hold on, there we go. I don't feel like you can really put anything in here. It's not like an actual pocket. So oh wait, okay, at the very top I think you can put like a little something in here. So there's that. And then, like I said, you lift it up, you do see the CC, Chanel, and you do have this flap here. So I'm gonna take it out. They did include like this kind of card, like the authentic card type of thing. Okay. And then you also do see Chanel on the button. And then you do have this first flap where you can like put whatever in here that you want. Also, you do have the inside that's this really pretty burgundy color, and then you do have the 2 slots here. So pretty cute. I feel like this size bag has enough room for like my everyday essentials of what I personally use, because I have a lot of bags where my crossbodies are even smaller than this and they're not fitting enough stuff. But this size, I really do feel like it fits enough for what I use on a daily, which is just basically my keys. And my keys have my little wallet attached to it, and then sometimes I might just have like lip gloss, a couple cash in my purse, and that's pretty much it. Like, it's not a whole bunch. So you can of course snap that closed and it will look like this, and then you pull that down and just turn it, and yeah, super cute, so adorable. So I really do appreciate them for sending this bag over. It's just really gorgeous, and I do see myself wearing this a lot in the fall time. And if you guys didn't know, I used to really be a person where like I only liked gold hardware, but like I said, for this bag I felt like the silver hardware looked really nice with the black. I feel like it complements it well. So really like this. Cannot wait to wear it. Just a little 360. So cute. So once again, I will have the website linked in the description box below. Also a 5% off discount code for you guys if you guys are interested in shopping the website. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.